messy breakup, 4 years of playing the blame game, and a negotiation which has seemingly gone on forever. Whichever side of the Brexit debate you fall on, it's been a terrible example of how to conduct yourself in a negotiation. As a family lawyer, I would strongly advise clients from not following the example set by the UK and the EU with Brexit, and instead I have a few tips on how to approach a settlement. First of all, I think it's bad for your case to set arbitrary red lines at the outset, which ultimately you may have to breach to reach an agreement. The more open, honest and flexible parties are, the better and quicker an agreement it can be reached. Also, if you set red lines, these can just be used as a tactic by the other side against you. Contrary to what Michael Gove will have us believe, no party in any negotiation holds all the cards. This is certainly the case in a divorce, where each side will have its strengths and weaknesses. For example, many people think that the financially stronger party holds the cards in a divorce negotiation, but actually I don't think that's always the case, particularly where they are the ones who are more likely to have to leave the family home in the interim while negotiations are ongoing. Next, I think it's a bad idea to rush a last-minute deal. If you set deadlines in any negotiation, it's always best to meet them, and it undermines your position not to do so. Whilst clients often don't like to be told it, it's often very good advice from their lawyer who tells them to issue financial proceedings. This is not to say that they need to go to a full-blown final hearing, but it's simply to focus minds and make sure that people are all focused on reaching an agreement without having to go to court. Next is communication. One positive of the Brexit talks has been that at least both sides have kept a line of communication open for all 4 long years. In a divorce, this is essential, but often very difficult when parties are trying to negotiate between themselves. I would always advise clients to have a solicitor negotiate on their behalf, or perhaps to do so in front of a mediator who is independent. Ultimately, a divorce is even more emotive than the two sides of a Brexit debate, so it's very hard to settle just by yourselves. Finally, and contrary to what Boris Johnson and perhaps what many of my clients would like to believe, nobody can have their cake and eat it. In a divorce, you're dividing one set of assets into 2, and so both parties are going to have to compromise to reach an agreement. Compromise really is the key to a settlement. If anyone is going through a separation at the moment and has concerns about what to do and how to approach the negotiation, I suggest you don't do what the EU and the UK have done with Brexit. Instead, you should come and see someone like me or another family lawyer who can help guide you and support you through the process. Thank you.